Hello everyone! Today is not that cold in Poland, we don't have minus 18 degrees, and I decided to have some fun with my RC car. And since on my YouTube channel I've published a lot of things on my desk, I think that this is a good occasion to make a more dynamic video and to share this training with all of you. I have to say that I'm lucky because in the place where I decided to train, someone had already some good fun. So we have all these marks left by the tires that are going to be perfect in order to create a RC rally stage. I have here with me already the cones ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust a bit the track with my shoes in order to make it easier to navigate here. I'm going to put my cones and I'm going to train a bit. I'm using my Tamiya XV-01 with rally block tires and big bore aeration dampers. Other than that, the goal is to have some fun, to train a bit and to enjoy the snow. Okay, let's start. Wow, I'm not filming something like that since the rally in Spain. Here we have the stage. The goal is I'm going to do stage by stage in order to improve my driving style. I feel that I have a bit of rust on my fingers. Yeah, I'm not with the gloves because I don't have a good sensibilities on my radio control. Okay, let's start with the stage 1 in a proper way. 5, 4. Okay, and we are done. I've put the time that I achieved here. I will going to measure it while mounting the video. Now let's do the second stage. 5. Second stage done. Let's do the third one. I will try to do a good time. Okay, the first stage was good, but I did a mistake. Let's try again. 5. I'm happy that I'm training like this because in this way, in these hard and slippery conditions, all my, let's say, bad habits came out in a easier way. So analyzing the video after this training, I will be able to understand a better way what I'm doing wrong. And if you have any opinion, just leave a comment and let me know. I will train forever here, it's so fun, but I'm starting to feel a bit of cold. I think that's enough for today. I'm starting to feel a bit of cold, and I think that this training was very important for me because it's the first touch with the car in 2024, and in 2.5 months we're going to start the season. It's cool because on the first stage I was a bit nervous, I lost a bit of sensibility on the throttle, but stage by stage I was improving. And it's cool to train in conditions like that because it's difficult and you have to focus a lot. Wow, it's starting to snowing. By the way, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have these possibilities in your country to train like that, do it because it's extremely fun. And see you next week with a new video. Ciao!